Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Wash your face.
Wash your face.
Take a bath.
Take a bath.
Wear your clothes.
Wear your clothes.
Comb your hair.
Comb your hair.
Eat your breakfast.
Eat your breakfast.
Get ready for school.
Get ready for school.
Don't be late.
Don't be late.
Say goodbye.
Say goodbye.
Come here.
Come here.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Pick up your toys.
Pick up your toys.
Clean the room.
Clean the room.
Turn on light.
Turn on light.
Turn off the fan.
Turn off the fan.
Let's play.
Let's play.
I love my school.
I love my school.
This is my teacher.
This is my teacher.
May I drink water?
May I drink water?
May I go to toilet?
May I go to toilet?
I am reading a book.
I am reading a book.
I am writing.
I am writing.
I like drawing.
I like drawing.
I am learning English.
I am learning English.
Let's study together.
Let's study together.
It's break time.
It's break time.
Say please.
Say please.
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
Say sorry.
Say sorry.
Say excuse me.
Say excuse me.
Be kind.
Be kind.
Share your toys.
Share your toys.
Help others.
Help others.
Don't shout.
Don't shout.
Listen carefully.
Listen carefully.
Speak politely.
Speak politely.
It's time to sleep.
It's time to sleep.
Change your clothes.
Change your clothes.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Say goodnight.
Say good night.
Give me a hug.
Give me a hug.
Tell me a story.
Tell me a story.
Be careful.
Be careful.
That's my toy.
That's my toy.
I am feeling sleepy.
I am feeling sleepy.
It's raining outside.
It's raining outside.
I am eating ice cream.
I am eating ice cream.
Can I play with you?
Can I play with you?
I am thirsty.
I am thirsty.
Please help me.
Please help me.
I don't like this.
I don't like this.
I am happy today.
I am happy today.
Where is my bag?
Where is my bag?
I like blue color.
I like blue color.
Look at the sky.
Look at the sky.